Assessment and evaluation are central pillars in the education system, providing the mechanisms to measure your learning, monitor instructional effectiveness, and inform policy decisions. Far from being a mere grading mechanism, educational assessment is a powerful pedagogical tool that drives curriculum reform, personalized instruction, fosters your agency, and ensures accountability in educational systems. This module explores the philosophical foundations, methodologies, tools, purposes, ethics, and 21st century trends in educational assessment and evaluation. It distinguishes between assessment of learning, for learning, and as learning, while examining the complex roles teachers, institutions, governments, and technology play in educational measurement. 10.1 Definitions and Differences. Assessment versus evaluation. Assessment is the systematic process of collecting information on student learning, typically to improve instruction or gauge individual progress. Evaluation is the broader judgment or appraisal of educational outcomes, program effectiveness, or teacher performance. Read the document on the screen. See Instructional Improvement. Guide educators in modifying pedagogy. Motivation. Encourage students to engage with learning. 10.3 Types of assessment. A based on function. Formative assessment. Ongoing. Low stakes. Quizzes. Peer review. Help shape future instruction. Summative assessment. End of unit or term exams. Final projects used for grading and certification. B. Based on methodology. Quantitative assessment objective. Numerically scored. MCQs, standardized tests. Qualitative assessment subjective, descriptive. Essays, portfolios, interviews. C. Based on timing. Pre-assessment, diagnostic, mid-course check-ins, post-assessment. D. Based on scope, criterion, referenced assessment. Measures against defined learning goals. Norm-referenced assessment. Compares your performance to peers. 10.5. Evaluation models. Kirkpatrick's model reaction learning behavior. Results. CIPP model. Context. Input. Process product. Used in program and policy evaluation. Tyler's objectives model assesses how well objectives are achieved. Stakes responsive model focuses on stakeholders' needs and feedback. 10.6 Principles of effective assessment validity. Does it measure what it claims to? Reliability. Are the results consistent and repeatable? Fairness. Is it equitable across all groups? Transparency. Are learners aware of expectations and criteria? Practicality. Is it feasible given time and resources? Authenticity. Does it reflect real-world tasks? Constructive feedback. Aids student growth. 10.7 Modern trends in assessment. Digital and AI-powered assessment. Automated grading, adaptive testing, learning analytics, EdTech tools, Gradescope, Edmodo, Socrative, Quillian's Assessment for Learning, AFL, promotes metacognition and learner self-assessment, encourages student-teacher dialogue, competency-based assessment measures, mastery of skills over time, often used in vocational and professional training. Gamified assessment uses game elements, points, levels, challenges, increases motivation and engagement. Universal Design for Assessment, UDA, ensures inclusivity across learners with varying abilities. Multiple means of expression, representation, and engagement. 10.8 Ethical issues in assessment and evaluation, bias and discrimination language, cultural or gender-based biases, cheating and plagiarism, especially in online environments, over-testing and stress. Excessive standardized testing leads to burnout, misuse of results, Assessment data used to unfairly rank schools or teachers, data privacy risks related to your information in digital tools. 10.9. Role of teachers in assessment and evaluation. Teachers must align assessments with instructional objectives, use diverse tools to meet multiple learning styles, provide timely and actionable feedback, reflect on outcomes to inform instruction, be culturally responsive in assessment design, guard against grading biases. Summary: assessment and evaluation are not isolated from instruction. They are integral to effective teaching and learning. From gauging prior knowledge to shaping future instruction, well-constructed assessments guide your growth and institutional accountability. As education evolves toward personalization and equity, so too must our assessment systems grounded in rigor, ethics, innovation, and learner-centeredness.